Hi, everybody. Continue our coverage here from ITSEC 2011. We stopped by the Christie booth and have a chance to talk with Dave. And Dave, we're trying to give people a behind-the-scenes peek at what's happening here at ITSEC in Orlando. So if you could tell us about a few of the products that Christie has on display and what those products are all about.
Sure. Well, thanks for stopping by and welcome to the Christie booth. What we're showing here is a range of solutions. What we see largely within Christie is a convergence of some of the different technologies and markets. So between our visualization business and our simulation business, these things are really coming together.
Sure.
So on the far end, we've got a demonstration where we're showing a stereo display in combination with the collimation.
Okay.
Optics, two different optical technologies. The optical system for the collimation is very well understood and very well widely deployed for simulation applications. And stereo, conversely, is predominantly a technology that's used for visualization.
Sure.
So we're combining the two of them and actually getting the best of both worlds, so that your cues, your 3D stereo cues, and your depth perception actually benefit quite a bit from that. So that adds a tremendous amount of training value, depending what the application is. The other thing we're showing is what we call the EGG. It's an acronym for Edgeless Graphics Geometry, which distinguishes it from some of the faceted systems that we've seen in the past. But essentially what it is an edgeless system which distinguishes it from some of the faceted systems. On the visualization side, these would typically be things like caves, where you've got a number of facets together.
Sure.
And it gives you a full wraparound, a very immersive experience. So we're combining the visualization with a haptic control, with different types of 3D audio, and combining all those things together to provide a very immersive field of view and high resolution, high contrast.
What else do you have that you're debuting at ITSEC?
Well, one of the things about the EGG is image quality. We really focus on image quality because that's what our customers demand. So we're showing an example here of how we use the Christie Matrix STEM to improve image quality. Previous years we've shown the night vision goggle capability for the STEM. We have two inputs into the projector. It effectively works, each projector head works like two separate projectors. We have two channels. You can run it as an infrared and as a visible channel, or you can run it as two visible channels. So what we're showing behind me is we're actually showing how to stitch two channels together, each running 60 hertz, and combine to give you a 120 hertz output. The last two displays I'll mention very quickly come out of some of the other parts of our business. Well, what we're seeing here is we're using a digital 4K projector and creating a digital sand table application, if you will. And standing behind me, or looking behind me, we've got what we call our Christie microtiles. Now, all the displays in our booth actually use solid-state LED illumination, with the exception of the cinema projector, which outputs out over 32,000 lumens, so that's not a match right now for LED solid-state technology. But all the rest of our displays, we're able to leverage that same technology across a complete wide range of solutions, and that's what we're showing this year.
Oh, that's really great, Dave. Now, for folks at home that like more information, what's the website they should look up?
ChristieDigital.com.
Sounds good, Dave. Thanks so much for taking the time. And folks, we'll have more coverage live here from ITSEC 2011 in Orlando coming up.